Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Thank you guys so much for joining me. If you're new here, my name's Tobias, and welcome to Microphone Mondays, where I post new microphone reviews and comparisons every Monday. And today I have a comparison video for you guys that I'm actually surprised that I haven't made before, and it was actually requested by one of you guys. So what I have today is a comparison of the Maono AU-A04 versus the Blue Snowball, which I have right here. So throughout this video, I'm going to be switching between the A04 and the Snowball. It'll be pretty easy for you guys to tell the difference between the two microphones. And as usual, I'll talk about some of the similarities and differences between the two microphones. Then I'll do a side-by-side audio test, and then in the end, I'll tell you guys which microphone I think that you guys should go with. And actually, just really quick before we really jump into this video, I do want to mention that I got a comment on one of my videos that actually brought something to my attention about the A04. There's a YouTuber by the name of Life Commando, and he actually did some research into what chips are being used in the A04, because I guess he was getting comments on one of his videos saying that people were buying the A04 and it actually sounded really bad. And I'll actually go ahead and link his video down in the description below. He explains it very well in his video, but I'll just give you a shortened version. So basically what he did, since he was getting comments from people saying that the A04 sounded bad when they bought it, he decided to go ahead and buy a new A04. He opened it up and compared it to his old A04, and it turns out that there was a different chip being used in the new Maono A04s. He reached out to Maono, and they told him that because there were chip supply issues during the pandemic, they started putting a different chip in the A04s that were being produced during the pandemic. And it turned out that these new chips that they were putting in the microphones sounded a lot worse than the old ones. So I went ahead and opened up my microphone, and it turns out that I have the old chip, so we're all good there. But I just want to let you guys know, if you guys are planning on buying an A04, maybe reach out to Maono and just ask them what chip is going to be in the microphone that you're getting. Or if you go ahead and buy the microphone, open it up yourself, check which chip is inside it. If you have the old chip inside your microphone, I'll go ahead and put a picture of it here on the screen, then you should be good. If you do happen to get the new chip and it does not sound good, I would suggest that you just return the microphone, because you definitely don't want the A04 with the new chip that sounds bad. So anyways guys, let's go ahead and get on with the review. Alright guys, so now the audio that you are hearing is coming from the Blue Snowball, and let's go ahead and take a look at the prices of these two microphones. So first of all, the Blue Snowball goes for $61.99, and that's for the regular Blue Snowball. There's another version of the Blue Snowball called the Blue Snowball Ice, and that microphone only costs $39.99. And I believe the only difference between the two Snowballs is that the regular Blue Snowball has 3 different recording patterns: cardioid, a -10 decibel pad, and then a omnidirectional setting, and the Blue Snowball Ice only has the cardioid setting. For the purposes of this video, we're only going to be testing out the cardioid setting. And then if we take a look at the Amazon page for the AU-A04, it goes for $49.99. All these microphones come with free delivery, and I'll go ahead and have these Amazon links down in the description of this video in case you want to check them out for yourself. And if we just take a look at the Blue Snowball, it's a very basic setup. It just comes with the microphone on top of a desk stand and a USB cable. If we take a look at the Maono AU-A04, it actually comes with a lot of stuff. Of course, it comes with the microphone itself. It also comes with a windscreen, a pop filter, a boom arm stand that you can clamp onto your desk, a shock mount, and of course the USB cable. And now let's go ahead and jump into our side-by-side audio comparison. I'm going to switch between one microphone and the other pretty quickly so we can get a sense for how they sound next to each other. And let's get right into this. Alright guys, so the audio that you are now hearing is coming from the Maono AU-A04. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that noise floor. Okay, let's go ahead and switch over to the Blue Snowball. Alright guys, so now we're back on the Blue Snowball. Let's go ahead and take a listen to that noise floor. Okay, and now let's go ahead and switch back over to the A04. And now we're back on the Maono AU-A04. This is how it sounds when I'm typing on my keyboard right behind the microphone. Now we're back on the Blue Snowball. This is how it sounds when I'm tapping on my keyboard right behind the microphone. And this is how the Maono AU-A04 sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the microphone. This is how it sounds when I'm standing roughly 5 feet away from the Blue Snowball. And let's go ahead and get our last listen into the A04 and try to decide for yourself which microphone you prefer the sound of. And let's go ahead and get our last listen into the Blue Snowball. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to go back and listen to this audio again, and I'll let you guys know what I think about it and which microphone I think sounds better. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm back on the Maono AU-A04. And just to get to the bottom line real quick, the microphone that I think is better is the Maono AU-A04. And if you guys disagree with me, I would love to know what you guys think down in the comments below. But one of the things with the Blue Snowball that I didn't like is that the recording volume of the Blue Snowball is just a lot lower than the A04. I even went into my system preferences on my computer and put up the input volume all the way on the Blue Snowball, and it was still quite a bit quieter than the A04. And even in Logic Pro, I put the fader for the Blue Snowball all the way up as well, and I still felt like it was a bit too quiet. The Blue Snowball also had a louder noise floor than the A04. And then overall, I think just the audio quality that you get from the Maono AU-A04 is just a bit higher quality than the Blue Snowball. I think it just sounds better. One thing I do want to mention about the A04 is that it does sound like it's more sensitive to the lower frequencies than the Blue Snowball. That's neither a good thing nor a bad thing, it's just like a personal preference type of thing. The A04 is also a little less expensive than the Blue Snowball, and when it comes to the different recording patterns you get on the back of the Blue Snowball, I'm actually not that crazy about them either way. I feel like the omnidirectional setting just isn't that great, and I always just use the regular cardioid setting anyways. And I just want to reiterate this again, if you are planning on going with the A04, I would just try to reach out to Maono and see what kind of chip you should be expecting to get in your microphone. If you are worried about getting the newer chip, I actually have another recommendation for you guys. There's another microphone that Maono makes. It's called the Maono AU-PM401. It's this microphone right here, and right now it's only a few dollars more expensive than the A04, and I do not think the chips were affected in these microphones during the supply shortage. So this microphone should still come as it should, and I actually have a review where I compare the Maono AU-A04 versus the Maono AU-PM401. I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description below in case you want to check that out, because the PM401 is actually one of my favorite microphones that Maono makes. Also, another thing that you might want to take into consideration is that if you do get the Blue Snowball, another thing you'll need to buy is a pop filter. So you might want to add the cost of a pop filter onto the price of the Blue Snowball as well. But anyways guys, I would love to hear what you guys think about this comparison down in the comments below. And once again guys, I will have the Amazon links for all of these microphones linked down in the description of this video in case you want to check those out for yourself. And if you did like this video, I would really appreciate it if you went down there and gave this video a like. That would help me out tremendously. And if you would like to see more videos by me in the future, make sure to go down there and hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell notifications button. I post new microphone videos every Monday. I call it Microphone Mondays. If you would like to follow me on Instagram, I'll go ahead and put my handle right here. It's at YT_Tobias, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.